Personal statements, your ticket to academic success. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be diving into a unique type of academic writing that many of you might come across, especially if you're planning to study abroad or further your education: personal statements. This isn't just about stating facts but presenting yourself in the best possible light. Let's jump right in. A personal statement is a written account of who you are, your passions, experiences, and ambitions. Unlike traditional essays or reports, this piece of writing is all about you. Typically used in applications for colleges, universities, or scholarships, a personal statement can make or break your chance of getting an acceptance letter. Think of personal statements as your personal pitch. You're essentially selling yourself, showcasing 1. Your motivation. Why are you interested in this particular course or institution? 2. Your skills. What makes you a good fit? Do you have any unique skills that set you apart? 3. Your experiences. Have you done anything related to the course or field you're applying to? Think internships, workshops, or even personal experiences. 4. Your vision. Where do you see yourself after completing this course or degree? Remember, institutions receive thousands of applications. A well-written personal statement can be your golden ticket to stand out. How should you structure your personal statement? Here's a simple guide. 1. Introduction. A catchy opening to grab the reader's attention. This could be a personal anecdote, a quote, or a significant experience. 2. Academic achievements. Highlight your relevant academic successes or projects. 3. Extracurricular activities. Discuss any clubs, organizations, or activities you were part of and what you learned from them. 4. Work experience. Talk about internships, jobs, or volunteer work related to your desired field of study. 5. Conclusion. Summarize your passion for the subject and how the institution can help you achieve your goals. Note: always be genuine. Avoid exaggeration, and always back your statements with examples. 1. Be concise. Personal statements often have a word limit. Make every word count. 2. Avoid cliches. Phrases like, "ever since I was young," or "I've always wanted to," are overused. 3. Proofread. Grammatical errors or typos can leave a negative impression. 4. Seek feedback. Have someone else read your statement to get a fresh perspective. They might catch something you missed. 5. Stay positive. Focus on your strengths and how you can contribute to the institution. Crafting a compelling personal statement is a blend of storytelling, self-reflection, and strategy. Remember, it's your opportunity to show off your strengths, passion, and vision for the future. We hope this video provided you with a clearer understanding of personal statements and how to ace them. Best of luck in all your academic endeavors, and see you in the next video.